You know what's more annoying than a pop-up screen in a new website? It's one-size-fits-all user experience in 2025. But here's the upgrade. AI-powered UI UX is flipping the script from static designs to personalized dynamic user experience. Let's talk about it without getting lost in buzzwords. Hey designers, developers and digital dreamers, ever wondered why Netflix feels like it knows you well? Or Spotify is always plays that song when you are vibing? That's not a smart design, it's an AI in action. And today, we are going to talk about how AI is personalizing UI UX experience and why it's not a luxury, it's an expectation nowadays. Static interfaces are so 2010 that user nowadays wants relevant content, predictive suggestions, seamless journey, interfaces that feel built just for them. But here's the challenge. Every users behave differently. Manual A/B testing isn't enough, and cookie cutters are dead on arrival. In short, your users expect magic, which traditional UI UX can't deliver it alone. Now, AI-powered UI UX personalization helps in behavior-based design, real-time interface changes, smart recommendations, and adapted layouts from different users. Now, using tools like machine learning algorithms, user segmentation engines, predictive analytics, heat map data integration, you can build interfaces that respond, evolve, and learn automatically. At Melonleaf, we are building front-end systems that learn, not just look good. Because front-end is no longer just visual, it's intelligent.